Hi friends, welcome to the video. For our next activity, we may require certain things like the colorful sheets of the paper, some of the modeling clay and some of the shells. Now we are going to make this beautiful hedgehog. At the bottom we are placing the green sheet that will represent the grass. Then with the help of the modeling clay we are making the body of the hedgehog, and for showing its spiny body we are just adding some of the shells around the main body area. Then we are placing the trees with the help of the again paper, and the fruits are made out of the clay. See how cool this one is. Our next activity is very simple and easy. All you just need to trace down your hand as shown on your screens. Then you just have to further add the details. It will represent some of the cartoon character that's very happy. This type of the painting is very good and nice. This cartoon character is actually representing a tree trunk, and see how beautifully we have made this one. We are using some different colors so that this painting will look much attractive and kids will get fascinated out of this. Just give it a try. This is so simple and easy. From this medicine strip, we are going to create some of the artificial eyes. For this you need double-sided tape and some of the beads that are inserted inside this strip. This one looks so easy and nice. Our next painting is very simple and so nice. For this we are tracing down the trees using the black marker. After that, with the help of the modeling clay and the fork, we are creating these cute little ovals. Then we are inserting some of the artificial eyes and the nose area has been created. Now with the help of the fruit wrapper, see how this one looks good. Now we are going to trace down the king of the jungle, that's the lion. For this we are making use of the two shades of the clay, that's the mustard and the yellow one. With the help of our index finger we are going to make the beautiful lion head, and then we are inserting some body with the help of the paper. This one is so nice. We will now draw some of the funny cartoon characters that are hanging on this tree branch. This one is so easy and nice. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 10 to 11. See how delicately and carefully we are creating the expressions of these cartoon characters. This one is so good and easy. Give it a try. Just have a careful look on our next activity. See in how easy and few simple steps we are going to make this one. You don't need that much of the things. All you need is some of the colorful sheets of the paper, markers and the glue. Just go for this one. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 and 11. You just need to have a careful look so that you can pause the video for drawing this one perfectly. Whole world is fond of the McDonald's and their french fries are so famous all over the world. Today we are going to make the artificial McDonald french fries. For this we are making use of the yellow sheet of the paper that we can just paste it over some cardboard, and then we can make these french fries. For making the cover for holding these french fries we are making use of this red sheet of the paper that we are folding and twisting. You can just pause the video so that you can have a much clearer look. Then insert the M symbol at the center and place the french fries inside this packet. This one looks so real and it's so cool. Definitely give it a try. Let's try to make some of the garden and some of the beautiful flowers using the paper, earbuds and some of the clay. This type of the painting is very less time consuming and is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. Definitely give it a try. See how beautiful this looks at the end. Again we are going to make some of the flowers with the help of the earbuds that we are placing in some circular shape. That at the center we are placing the modeling clay. Then we are going to make the stalk of these trees, these flowers, with the help of the marker. We are going to make a beautiful tiny little bees in the background. See how beautiful and easy this one is. It's very less time consuming. This activity is very simple. All you need is just a paper, some of the markers and some of the colors. With the help of the marker we are going to make this beautiful plant. You can just repeat the steps, just pause it so that you can have a clearer look and you can trace it down perfectly. Then fill it with some of the bright colors you have. We are using the green and the red one for the beetle. Thank you.